girl. How old are you? Five. How old are you? Oh, how old are you? Three. How old are you? Two. Okay, very good. Okay, now we're going to stretch and warm up. Okay? Who likes to be a soldier? Siapa suka jadi askar? You ah? How the soldier will stand? Stand straight. Everybody stand straight. Stand straight. Very good. How to make a star? Star. Okay, when I say soldier, you stand straight. When I say star, you stop. Wow, so clever. All of you clap hands for you first. Clap before we start. Okay, very good. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. I think you cannot do lah. Can ah? Can do faster. Can, you can do faster. Can ah? You can do faster. Boleh ah? Boleh buat laju sikit boleh ah?
Boleh.
Boleh ah?
Erhan, answer.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do faster.
Faster, Erhan, faster.
Okay, soldier.
Go.
Starfish.
Go.
Soldier. Starfish. 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 Okay. Done. Okay, one last one. This one yesterday only course on YouTube. We try and see. Can I run your ball? Okay. Okay, kita kena jaga telur ni, jangan bagi orang lain ambil. Betul? We don't want to let other people take the egg. This is ours. We want to keep it. Okay, so starting part, parents will protect the egg. Okay, ibu bapa yang akan di sini, jangan bagi budak ambil telur, ambil bola. Okay, so apa reason dia, kita nak ajar dia untuk start having body contact. Okay, so what's your name? Tio. Okay, Tio, you push me and you try to take the ball. Push me. Push. Push. Ada. Okay, no. Okay. You push your father. Push him hard and try to take the ball. But father won't let. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, so everybody boleh try dulu. Okay, satu.
Ambil bol kat mama.
So, parents. Ambil pandai tak? Ambil. Ambil bol kat mama. Ambil bol. 1, 2, 3. Minit. Ambil cepat. Ambil. Tolak kau buat. Tolak. Tak dapat. Ikut bola kaki saya. Tolak kau buat. Okey, saya tak lagi ambil. Ambil. Tak dapat. Okey, Gana. Jatuh. Tak dapat. Pada muka. Nanti buang.
Okay, you stand there.
We pass to the kids first. Pass to the kids.
I pass. Okay. Go. Pass to Amma. Run.
Merah kuning. I think ini. Betul. Bola amigo.
Let's go to red. Come. Come to the ball.
Yo.
Thank you.
Yeay. Bawa Mi. Laju. Cepat. Ambil gol tu. Gol kat Tok Ayah. Cepat, laju. Janganlah tenganga. Hei.
Sini gol. Pak, Tok Ayah jaga gol. Tok Ayah jaga gol.
Hey, no touch. Hey. Shoot. Lagi. Gol. One more.
Yeah, okay. Nak stiker tak? Nak stiker. Mana? Ya, betul. Alright.
Kenapa Argentina?
Argentina.
Okay. Stop ball. Hey, stop ball. Sammy, stop ball.
Show me where's your passport. Okay, stop the ball. Inside the circle.
High five.
Good job. Me high five. Sammy high five. Okay. Can you show me a spin? What? Yeah. Now show me a spin. Can you do this?
Bawa dekat Tok Ayah.
Ya, bawa. Ini letak bol sini. Ya, tak ya.
Bola situ tau. Budak lain di bawah. So dia lebih tiring. Okay, listen. When I say go, I want you to run. Take the ball using your hand. Run back to the blue marker. Put the ball on the ground. Use your leg. Ball run. Put the ball on the ground. Use your leg. And show me the goal. Okay? Get ready? Go!
Sepak kat Tok Ayah, cepat. Cepat bawa sepak Tok Ayah. Shoot. Shoot. Go, lari Ami, lari. Bagi coach. Bagi coach kat Amin. Bagi.
Amin ambil chop.
Pat. Bagi coach touch Ami.
Kami. Hey, sini.
Okay, what country is this? Show me where's Japan. Show me where's Japan. Alright.
Ocean.
Kami. Dah banyak.
Right.
Ocean baru sampai.
Saya tinggal satu lagi.
What country? Show me the country. Mana? Dekat mana? Oh,
Mana Mi? Ami tunjuk mana?
Mana belum?
Mana yang belum?
yang ni. High five.
Okay, high five. Bye. Thank you. Dia tak pandai buat.
Ami balik ke kepala Ami.
Ami tak pegang tadi. Pegang. Tak apa.
Dia tak nak kotor. Nak pegang buat. Nanti coach bagi apa? Nanti coach bagi touch. Ami kena buat sendiri.
Buat sini kalau padang YMCA tu memang becak ni.
Ya.
Baik.
Sebab Ami buat.
Kalau tanduk ni kena panas kepala dia. Kanduk. Tanduk. Kanduk ni dia ni. Satu, dua. Balik enam. Langkah. Okey, sepak. Sepak buat. Kami dekat kiri. Kat kami mana? Kami dekat kiri. Sepak. Satu. Dua. Sepak. Ui. Sepak tanya apa Ami? Dah, jom. Bagi terus.
Ami.
Ya. Dah lunyai dah kat Ami.
Mi.
Ami bagi coach.
Ami. Bukan buat. Mana belum? Tunjuk.
Pandai.
Dah habis. High five. Mana bola Ami? Bola Ami mana? Bye-bye Tok Ayah. Bye-bye Tok Ayah. Tok Ayah nak balik. Bye-bye Tok Ayah. Bawa bol. Go. Bawa kat mama. Bagi gol. Lawan mama. Ami lawan mama. Gol cepat. Mama rebut kat Ami. Ami rebut. Ha, cepat gol. Gol cepat. Shoot. Jom coach panggil. Ami shoot.
Dan bagi Jamal. Habis tanya ada kosong.
Tunjuk apa tu ke bapa. Ami. Ami, ambil bol.
Ambil bol. Ami ambil bol. Ami ambil bol cepat. Ami, ni. Mi, nah. Letak dalam tu. Letak dalam beg. Letak dalam beg, pegang. Ha, letak dalam beg. Ha, ni bagi bapa pegang.
Jalan kanan.
Go. Pegang, 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 pegang. Ami ni? Ni? Dia lap kat papa. Cepat tangan.
Tengok gambar ni. Tengok gambar tu ni. Uma, follow coach. Run. Listen coach, listen.
1, 2, are you ready? Go more dramatic. Okay, students! When coach kick the ball up, wait. Okay, when coach kick the ball up, you start. You kick the ball. Roja me.
Nampak?
Bilang dari Q. Okay.
Kami gimana? Kami gimana? Kami duduk sini. Beratus tu.
World Cup is this year, we have to do something. I don't know how many of you are Argentina or Spain fans, but this World Cup has been very dramatic. Why we do this is because in the last World Cup, when I was watching the final, they said maybe someone who's watching, someone who's going to win the World Cup might be watching it. So Malaysia may not win this World Cup. Then when that magic happens for these kids, if this is where they start loving the game. Right. So for the past 6 months, after it's already gone very fast, I've seen a lot of improvements. Kids who didn't want to come in, now asking coach what they want to do. We will try to do more events like this and improve as the class goes. So a big announcement we have today is we will soon launch our JF app. So the attendance card you have visiting now will be the last batch. Because eventually, once the app is launched, their app and the gift tracking will be in the app. Their schedules will be in the app. Their jersey order will be in the app. So we'll soon announce the date and the registration for the app. Okay? Okay, we put your hand down. When you have fun, you will sweat. Can you have fun?
Mi.
Okay, second.
Tengok. Ambil tu, ambil tu. Dapat
Okay, passport, hold his hand. Hold your hand. Oh, you're 3 years old. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold his hand now. Second. Okay, well done. Okay, come. Okay. Passport. Okay, pegang. Second. Very good.
Mama rekam.
Okay. Congratulations.
Gambar, abang gambar. Okay, Syamila.
You winning the final video. Good job.
Senyum.
Okay.
High five.
foto.
Jom, one more gambar.
Alah malu. Alah malu.
1 minute. Okay, parents, we got official photographer. Why not you all join the shot? You go a bit further behind. Then take a bigger angle. Put in a the students who are crying, please take them, hold them. You want them to have happy thoughts.
Ya.
Yeah, the rest of the kids, no problem. You all are very brave. You can stand, no problem. You are also a bit older. Okay, the younger ones need their parents. It's okay.
In front.
Camera woman, the angle, okay? Look there. Too wide. Okay, guys, too wide. You need to come in a bit.
Ma, pakai medal, Show medal. Up, show medal. Sebelah ini.
Coaches. Okay, coaches join in. Coaches.
High five. Yeay. Tepuk tangan. Tutup ni. Tutup kamera. Tutup.